Yo, what's going on, guys? And you might be asking, what am I wearing? I have no idea. Anyway, today we're going to be unboxing a GoPro. So, it's pretty cool. I already got out of the Amazon box, and I have it right in front of me here. So, let me just turn my camera down so y'all can see it. Alright, there we go. Move my keyboard, move my mouse out of the way. And then here's the GoPro. It came with an SD card, mini SD card, to hold all my videos and whatnot. And I am going to be using this GoPro I'm gonna start vlogging on this channel. So that's what I'm gonna start using this for. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be doing gaming stuff and all that other stuff. But we're also gonna do some gaming stuff too. So alright, let's start getting this out of the package. I'm too lazy to edit today, that's why I'm not editing this video. Alright. So yeet. Alright, so here's the GoPro, as you can see. And it has, like, just a little default picture, if you can see that on it. Let's see, how do I get it out of here? How do I get it out of here? Do I have to... Maybe I have to open it from the bottom. I might just have to rip it. Maybe. I don't really want to rip it though. Whatever, I'm doing it. Alright. So, can we get it out of here? Alright. So here is the GoPro. We get it out. Alright, looks like it's on a little stand here. So we'll just keep it on there for right now. Let's open this up and see what it has in here. Some guides and whatnot. Alright, we'll just set those aside for right now. And then, what do we have here? We got got these things, which I've never had a GoPro before, so I'm not really sure what these do, but, there's also one more thing in here, looks like charging port, maybe? Yeah, I think this is to charge it. Yeah, alright. Looks like it came with a charging thingy. That's cool. Now let's actually get the GoPro off of this thing. So, let's see, do we just flip this up? Oh, I know what this is. I know what these are. These are to, like, clip on here and then this GoPro just, like, slides in or something like that. I think that's what it is. I wanna... Let's see here. How do we get this off? You would think it would just slide right off. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, I can't get that off. I'm gonna have my, someone in my family get it off, but, looks like maybe the record button right there. Looks like you can also take pictures, I think, if you guys can see that button right there. Crap. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that little button right there. Looks like you can change the mode, videos and pictures. And then, I'm guessing, somewhere around there. Is that like a button? No, I'm not really sure what that one does. Maybe that starts recording. I have no idea. Well, yeah, that's pretty much the GoPro. I'm a weakling, so I cannot get it out of this stupid thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you enjoyed, please please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.